Hello guys, it's Vivian and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the short O sound. Let's go. Ot, ot, k, ot, cot, d, ot, dot, h, ot, hot, l, ot, lot, n, ot, not, p, ot, pot. Odd, odd, k, odd, cot, n, odd, not, p, odd, pot, r, odd, rot, g, odd, got. Og, og, h, og, hawk, d, og, dog, f, og, fork, j, og, jock, l, og, lock. Up, up, k, up, cop, h, up, hop, m, up, mop, p, up, pop, t, up, top. Ock, k, ock, k, ock, cock, d, ock, duck, r, ock, rock, l, ock, lock, s, ock, sock, cl, ock, clock. Ox, ox, b, ox, box, f, ox, fox. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, share my video and subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye bye.